I don't want to write a poem. I don't want to write a poem if it isn't any use to a lion or a chicken or a tiger or a goose. I don't want to write a poem if it doesn't want to fly. Every word should be a bird that tells a story in the sky. I don't want to write a poem if the words are fast asleep. I need fizzy dizzy disco words that bounce along a beat. I don't want to write a poem if it's too afraid to sing. If the poem has no voice, then it doesn't mean a thing. I don't want to write a poem if there's no imagination. If you think outside the box, there really is no limitation. I don't want to write a poem if it doesn't feel like me. Creative electricity, the magic and the mystery.